Hi student, today again we are here with our topic area related to circle. Now maybe it's our last class with this topic. Then we are going to start with our next topic. It's our surface area and volume. Look up in this last session till now what we have discussed in this topic. First of all, we have seen that what is our area of circle is given by pi r square and then circumference of circle. Then also we have discussed about the how can we get the area of circular ring there. Then after that we have discussed about to find out the length of segment. Then how can we find out the area of sector, area of minor sector, and as well as area of major sector. Then how can we find out the area of segment there. Then after that we have seen some problems with our area in area bounded by some compounded figure there. Now today again with some basic problems here. Let's start with what is the first problem. It's given there a raised track is in the form of a ring. It is given there a raised track is in the form of a ring whose inner circumference is 352. So suppose this is our center. It's given a look. Now we have to mark another center here. This is our center over there. Now look, what is given there? Racetrack is in the form of a ring whose inner circumference is 352. Just suppose this is our R, and from here we have this radius of capital R. Then it's given its of inner circumference, means this circumference is given. What is our 2 pi R is our 352 meter. 352 meter, and the outer circumference is 396 meter. Outer circumference what? 2 pi r is what? 396 meter. Then what here in this outer 396 we have to find out the width of the track. We have to find out this width of the track. How can we find out this width? From here to where? This is capital R. We have to find this width. Then what is our width? To find out the width of this track, what we have? We have to find out the distance between. This is our width of the track. What is our width of the track? Difference of the outer radius to the inner radius. Then what do we have to do? We have to find here. From given problem, we are going to find out first of all is inner radius, then outer radius, then the difference of radius is our required answer. From here, we have 2 pi r 352. Then what is our small r? 352 divided by 2. Then let's check what we have. It's not given there. Then we have to take our pi is what? 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7. Then what we get? 352 into 7 upon 2 into 22, 11 333, 222 11, sorry it's a 22, 11 to the 22, now it's a 2 to 4, 4 8 32, then our small r is what? 8756 meter. This is our small r. Similar way we can find out the value of capital R is what? 396. In the same manner, it's a 7 and 2 into 22. Then again 11 3 33 6 11 6 6, then 11 2 again 2 to 4 4 9 36 9 7 63. We get 63. Now we have to find out the width of track. Then our width of track is given by capital R minus R, 63 minus 56, then it's our 7 meter. The width of our track is what? 7 meter. This is our required answer. I am going to revise it. First of all, it's given the circumference of this smaller circular region, then a bigger circumference given 396. We have to find out the width of this track. How can we find out this width of track? by the difference of bigger radius to the smaller radius. Then first of all we are going to find out smaller radius, then bigger radius, and then take the difference of, then we get our required result. Now we are going to move with our next problem. It's also written with this track form. What we have to prove here? Prove that the area of a circular path, sorry, I have made up this figure here, but unfortunately I roughed this. Now we have to again draw it. Oh, now look up. We need this figure again. We have to draw this. Prove that the area of the circular path of a uniform width h surrounding a circular region of radius r is pi s 2r plus h. You need the same figure there. Prove that the area of the circular path of the uniform width h, it's given width there, it's h, surrounding a circular region of radius r. It's given the smaller circular radius is what? R. Is, we have to prove here, area of circular path is equal to, we have to prove that pi h 2r pi h 2r plus h. We have to prove here in the problem. We have to prove this area of this path. We have to find out the area of this path is given by pi into h in bracket 2r plus h. Now how can we get this area path? To get this area path, to prove this, we have to be first of all find out the area of this bigger circular path, which is bigger circle there. Then we, since it's a form a circular ring, then how can we find out the area of the circular ring? We find out the area of circular ring by area of bigger circle to the area of a smaller circle. Then first of all we have a area of a small circle, what? Area of a smaller circle is what? It's a radius r, then pi r square. And what about the area of bigger circle? Area of bigger circle. To get area of bigger circle, we have to find out outer bigger circle radius. How can we get this small r plus this with h? Then it's a pi at the place of radius r, it's a r plus h whole square. Now we have to solve this. This is pi, expanding it using identity a plus b whole square. Then what do we have? R square plus h square plus 2 r into h. Now we have to find out this path, area of circular path. How can we get? We have to be subtract from area of bigger circle to the minus area of smaller circle. Then pi r square plus h square plus 2rh minus pi r square. Now when we are going to multiply with this pi r square, then its negative pi r square cancel out. Then only what we have? We have this two terms, h square plus 2r, taking out h common there. Then we have pi h, this h plus 2r. This is our required need. What we have to prove that? Then I'm going to again explain you. In the given problem, what we have? We have to find out the area of this. It's given there. There is circular path with having a width h. Then we have to prove that area of the circular path is given by pi into h in bracket 2r plus h. How can we get this area of this path? First of all, we are going to find out the area of this bigger circle. How can we find out the area of this bigger circle? We have to find out this radius. Capital R is given by, this capital R is what? Length of this small radius plus width h. Then area of bigger circle is what? It's a pi r plus h whole square. We are going to expand and then solve it. We can also find out the area of a smaller circle by its radius is r, then pi r square. To get the area of path, to get this area, what we have to do? Area of bigger circle to the subtract the area of a smaller circle. After subtraction, we get the area of circular path is given by pi into h, h plus 2r. Now we are moving to our next problem. Find the area of the ring whose outer and inner radii are respectively 20 and 15 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of ring. Find the area of the ring whose again we have to draw same figure there. This is our ring. Find the area of the ring whose outer radii and inner radii is 20 and 15 centimeter respectively. Again, remind you, area of ring. How can we get this area of ring? Pi r square minus pi r square. What is r? This is our outer radius. And this is our inner radius. Now we have given all values there. It's too easy to solve. Take out pi common there. Then r square minus r square. Put the value pi. Just take 22 by 7 because not given there. R square means it's a 20 square minus r. It's a 15 square. Then a square minus b square 22 by 7. Times this, edit this to 20 plus 15 35. Second time take a difference, then we have 5 7 5 35, then 22 into 25 25 to 50 plus 50, it's our 550 centimeter square. It's our 550 centimeter square. What do we do to get the area of the ring? What we have to do beta? It's a pi. कैसे एरिया अपनी निकालते हैं? एरिया ऑफ बिगर सर्कल to subtract the area of our smaller circle. Here is given that area of outer circle is what? Radius r is what? It's given there 20. Smaller radius is 15. We are going to putting at the place of capital R 20, at the place of small r 15. Then after doing calculation, we get the area of our ring is what? Given by 550 centimeter square. Now we are moved to next with our next problem. The area of the ring is 418 centimeter square. If the radius of the smaller circle is 6, find the radius of the bigger circle. Now, it's again application based problem of to the circular ring there. What is given there? It's given there the area of the ring. What is the area of the ring? Area of the ring. If our r is outer radius and small r is inner radius, then our area of ring is given by pi r square minus r square. This is our area of ring. In the problem, it's given there the value of pi r square minus r square is given there. The area of the ring is 418. It's given 418 centimeter square there. If the radius of the smaller circle is 6 centimeter, the value of small r is given there 6 centimeter. Then find the radius of bigger circle. Then we have to find out the radius of bigger circle. Then take the pi value 22 by 7 because it's not given there. We have to take the value 22 by 7. 22 by 7, put in the value of here. Then we have to find out this capital R there. Then this small r is 6 square is equal to 418. We are going to shift this here to our right hand side. Now r square minus 36 is equal to 418. Then into 7 divided by 22. So is 12 minus 1 11. This is divisible by 11. 11 to 22. Then 11 3 33. 11 8 88. Then 19. Now, what is our r square? R. Now our R square is what? What do we get? 19.7 there. 133. 7 966 70. Okay. Then we have to put at R square is what? It's a plus 36. Now R square is what? 133 plus 36, 639, 1336. Now the value of R square is what? 169. Then R is what? Plus minus 13. But since R is radius, we cannot take negative value. Then our R is what? 13 centimeter. Our R is what? 13 centimeter. I'm going to again revise you. We have given then in the given problem what we have given. In this problem, we have given the area of ring there. It's 418. Also given that there is a radius of a smaller circle there. What is 6 centimeter? We have to find here the radius of bigger circle. Put in the value 22 by 7. R square minus 6 square 418. Shifting 22 by 7 to right hand side. Solving. We get R square minus 36 is equal to 133. But R square is what? This is minus 36. We are going to put 8 plus 36. Then R square is what? 169. After taking square root, we get the value of R is what? 13 centimeter. Now again we are going to move with our next problem. Now our next problem, it is given there. Two circles touch internally. Here it is given that two circles touch internally. Draw a figure first of all. We have two circles which touch to each other internally. Thus suppose one of the center is O and another center is, suppose it's a O prime. Now look, I am going to read the again question there. First of all, see the figure. It's given there. Two circles touch internally. The sum of their areas is 116 pi square centimeter. Just suppose its radius is small r of a small circle, and this radius is what? Capital R. Then what is given there? The sum of the areas is sum of the areas of this sum of their areas is, then what is given there? Sum of their areas means pi r square plus pi small r square is what? 116 pi. 116 pi. It's given there. First of equation there. And the distance between their centers is 6 centimeter. And the distance between this means it's given also O prime is 6 centimeter. What is our O prime? It is difference between capital R to the smaller r. Look at the figure. This distance O prime. How can we get? The distance from here to circular distance from O prime R to this point. The whole length is what? Capital R, and this length is what? Smaller r. Then we get distance O prime is what? It's our equal to R minus R 6 centimeter. This is our equation 2. Now what we have to find here? We have to find the radii of the circle. Means here we have to find out the value of capital R and small r there. Now look, we have two equations there. We have R minus R is 6 centimeter. Now look, to get the value there, since we have value of R minus R is here, then we have to find out the value of R plus R. If we are able to find out the value of sum of the radius, then using elimination method or any method, because we get the linear equation in two variables there, then we get the values of both radii there. Then how can we start from here, take out the pi common there. Now what do we have? From here what do we have? Take out pi common, then R square plus R square is equal to 116 pi. This pi and pi cancel. Then now the value of R square plus R square equal to 116. Now to get the value of R plus R, what we do? We are using our algebraic identity. Look. What is the value of r plus r square plus r minus r square? When we are going to be using this, adding this, then we get the, it's a 2 times, it's a 2 times r square plus r square. You can check it. R square plus plus 2rr plus r square minus 2rr. When we are going to adding this, then we get 2 times r square, capital R square plus small r square. Now we are going to using our this identity. We have to find out this value. Write down r plus r whole square. The value of r minus r is given there 6. Then we get here 36, and the value of r square plus r square is 116. Then multiply with 2 into 116. Now what we have? What we have? R plus r whole square is what? It's a 232 minus 36. Then what we get? 1266, 12391. 1. Then r plus r whole square is equal to, it's a 196. Then the value of r plus r is what? It's a plus minus 14, but sum of two radius cannot negative. Then r plus r is what? 14 centimeter. Now look, we have r minus r 6. Question number 2, we have r minus r is 6 there, and we have also we get the value of r plus r is 14. R plus r is 14, r minus r is 6. Using elimination, the value of 2r is 20, then capital R is 10, then r small r is what? 10 plus r is 14, then r is what? 4. Now we get the values of radius is what? 10 centimeter and 4 centimeter. I am just going to revise you again this problem. Look, what is given there? Two circles touch internally. The sum of their areas is given there. We have two circles with touch internal to each other. Then here is given that the sum of the areas is what? 116 pi there. And then after that, it's given the distance between their centers is, the distance between their centers is 6. O prime is 6. How can we get O and O prime? The difference of bigger radius to the difference of smaller radius. Then we have r minus r equal to 6. Now we have to find out the values of magnitude of both radii there. To get magnitude of both radii, what we have to? We have here r minus r equal to 6. If we are able to find out the value of sum of the radius there, and it's easy to find out our capital R and small r there. To get the value of, we have r minus r. To get the capital R plus r, what we do? We are just, you have to be reminded, we are just using our algebraic identity. R plus r whole square plus r minus r whole square is given by 2 times r square plus r square. Also you can use our identity there. If you are not learned to this, then also you can find out r plus r by using the identity under root r minus r whole square plus r into r. We have also one of the identity, but look, to use this identity, we need a product of radius there. But here just given a difference there, also the solving first equation, we get the only values of r square plus r square equal to 116. That's why we are not going to use this identity. This is also one of the identity. When we have a difference of any two variables, to find out the sum of two variables, if we have given the product of variable, then we can use this. We can use also this as the identity. But this identity is not, we are not going to be used here because we have not a product of radius there. That's why we are using this one identity. Use this identity when we have given any difference or there, difference or sum of there, but we have given the product of variables there, then we can apply this identity. But here product of variables is not given. That's why we are using the identity is what? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is given by 2 times a square plus b square, because we have given we are here given the values of r square plus r square 116. Now r plus r square, r minus r is 6, 6 ka whole square is 36, 2 into this, the value of r square plus r square is 116. Then we get r plus r square equal to 232 minus 36. Then r plus r whole square is 196. Then the square root of r plus r is what? 14. Now r minus r is 6, r plus r is 14. Using elimination method, we get the value of capital R is 10 and small r is 4. This is our required solution. Now we are moved to with the next problem. Look, in next problem is our it's a compound figure that we have to find out here area of shaded region here. And then first of all we are going to draw a figure there. P, Q, R, this is T, A, yes. Now, in given figure, look, I have drawn the figure. In given figure, alongside PSR, this is our PSR, RTQ, RTQ and PAQ are three semicircles of diameters 10 centimeter. It's given there. This whole diameter means PR. It's given there 10 centimeter, 3 centimeter RTQ. This is 3 centimeter. And this is our PQ is 7 centimeter. What we have to find out here? We have to find out the area of the saddle region here. Now look, here it's my apology to you. Here we have to find the perimeter of saddle region there. Now look. We have to find out perimeter of shaded region. We have to find here perimeter of shaded region. Then what is the perimeter of shaded region? How can we? It is our area. It's our region P S R T Q P. It's a perimeter of shaded region of. How can our perimeter? We have to find out the perimeter of saddle region. What is our region? We have to move from PSR, then T, then move to Q, T, Q, then we have to move with A and then P. We have to find out the perimeter of this saddle region. Then we have to start from P, then reach to H. Then after that, moving up, continuous moving, we come to R, then move to T, then from Q, then again A, then reach to our P. This is our perimeter of saddle region. Now, how can you get the perimeter of saddle region? This is the region of, this is circumference of our semicircle having diameter PR plus the semicircle having diameter QR and plus the perimeter of circle having the diameter PQ. Then our whole region is given by what is the circumference of our semicircle? It's a pi r. Then pi r. We are going to take this region PSR. What is your PSR? It's our diameter is what? 10. Then pi r 10 by 2 plus this this circumference RTQ. How can we get this RTQ? Pi, what is this radius? 3. Then plus circumference of this semicircle PAQ plus pi 7 by 2. Now what we have? Pi, this is 10 by 2, then we take it, we are going to take out this pi common there. Pi, this we get here 5, we get 3 by 2, we get it's a 1.5, it's a 7 by 2 means 3.5. Now look, 5, this is 5 plus 5, 10, then we take the value of pi is what? 3.14, and this is our 10, then 31.4 centimeter. 31.4 centimeter. This is our required perimeter. It's enough for today. Then again, this is our last session with our radiator circle. Now from tomorrow we are going to discuss with our next topic. We are considering our next chapter with surface area and volume. Thanks to all.